Hey babes, so I thought I would show you what my vanity looks like right after I finish recording. So I just finished recording a video where I talked about this conditioner and this shampoo that I got from the company Rhyme and Reason to review. Here are my Kiss Wispies that I used recently in a video. Product card about a Jill Malone fragrance. I'll be filming that later. Of course, this is my angel. I have several pictures of her around just to keep me grounded. But here today is all of these brushes and my synthetic brushes, and these, if you ever hear me in the videos like moving these around, you probably have. These are all my lip pencils, my eye pencils, my brow pencils back here, and these are some of my jewelry pieces that I keep around. Some more of my Joe Malone, my Tom Ford, that is Brooklyn. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these beautiful brush holders that I have, and look, there she is. There's the baby. Hi, Brooklyn. That's her. So that's usually where she is, where she makes noise, either that or her bed, which is over there. As I said before, I'm gonna take all of these brushes, plus all of these, all of these, all of these, all of this, and I am going to move them to a new location. I'm gonna take them out of this. Some of these I'm going to keep, some of them I'm going to throw out, and I'm going to replace them with some new storage units that I just got, which will help me keep my palettes that I want to review in order. It will help me keep my brushes in order, and all of these lovely things, all of that in order. So I will start doing that. Oh, and this is my basket that I usually keep like some of the things that I'm going to be working with. I keep them all in this tray right here. So let's start cleaning. So first we're going to remove all of this stuff and wipe down this beautiful, beautiful vanity table that I have. So I'll be right back. All right, babes, we are back. And as you can see, I put together the rougher system. Component A, I don't have, they were sold out, but this is component B. These are component C's, and component D is here. This is component C, sorry. These are C's. This is component D. And component E, they also didn't have, they were sold out. So I'm waiting for component A and component E to complete the modular vanity. But here's what it's looking like thus far. I may not get the E, I may just get the A's, which I would put in front. Maybe one here and one on this side, since they are two pieces together. I would put one set here and one set there for my brushes. But for now, I wanted something to put my palette on, as well as some lipsticks, and just have everything set up so that during the week I can just plan out what makeup I'm going to wear. As I told you before, I am going to be starting to really work with what I have existing I wanted a place to put my brushes, so there'll be some in here. Those are the brushes that I would be using for the week. And then on this side, I already reorganized some of my jewelry. These are just, you know, some pieces that I have. Of course, we have our Chanel pin. We have our Camilla flower. And we have some other pieces here. So my Tiffany pieces are here. This is where I keep my cotton rounds. Need to refill that. My candle and some of my go-to, these are some of my go-to fragrances. So, and there's Brooklyn sleeping in her bed. All right, so let's start with the palettes that I know I'm going to be wearing at least for the next couple of days. We'll fill in with some lipsticks after that. And we're gonna start with the brushes and fill in these spaces here. All right, let's go. Okay, we're back. And I put on the, this one. Ooh, these are so soft. This one is the number 37. Were back ordered. Oh, this is pretty. I don't think I have one this long. Remember, these are hand-tied hair. So Brown Girl Bella. Oh yeah, I've been waiting for this. Rougher brushes here and here, all in one place. All of my eye brushes, move this around just a little bit. Eye brushes there, face brushes here. More face brushes there. And all right, babes, just wanted to open up these advent calendars before I take off this makeup and go to bed. I already changed into my pajamas. So let's open these advent calendars and see what's in the mix for day number 6. Let's go. Okay, everyone, so I had to reshoot day number 6's Velour Spa opening because the footage was lost. Here it is. It is the Guild Pomander and Hinoki candle. Beautiful. It is made with gilded holly berries, cardamom, and Japanese hinoki. Here's what it looks like. So pretty. I love this. This will definitely go downstairs. Because this needs to be shown, honey. It smells amazing. I can definitely smell the holly berries. What's the mid note? Cardamom. Don't really smell that so much, but I definitely, oh wait, now I smell the cardamom. It takes a minute, but you can smell the cardamom. And the last note is the Japanese hinoki. Definitely smell that as well. All right, that is day number 6. Cool. All right, now it's time for OPI. Day number 6, and it's right here. It is the Rapari top coat. Oh, so it's top coat. Perfect. I actually just got some top coat from Essie, but I love this. This is a rapid dry top coat, so that's perfect. Okay, here is day number 6. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's a candle, y'all. It is the pine and eucalyptus scented candle. My goodness, this smells so amazing. You definitely smell both the pine and the eucalyptus in this candle. It's a great mix of the two. Perfect for like your living room, or even like the kitchen, to give that warm, hearty, like lived in feeling. I'm definitely going to put this on the entryway table along with my other Jo Malone candles, and also that new one that we just got from Voluspa. That would go perfect there as well. All right, so that is what we got from Jo Malone. Okay, so number 6 for today was already drank, and I forgot to unbox it. So this is what number 6 was. It was the Unprecedented Chardonnay. Yeah, it's good too. Sorry, guys. So these are what I got in day number 6, minus the wine and Brooklyn's treat, which we were greedy enough to do already and devour. So this is what's left for day number 6. And that's the remix. Bye.